Hi guys, Ross here representing NARVA Australia. Today's topic, how to choose the right performance globe for your application. Now you might not know this, but NARVA actually offer a range of performance halogen globes that are a direct replacement for your standard globes. They offer a cleaner, crisper light, and some options actually offer you a longer life of globe. With something to suit everyone's specific needs, there's a few points that you need to consider. Do you want more life with more light volume, maximum volume, or more light with a crisp white or steel blue light output? The interesting thing with these globes is that the wattage and voltage is exactly the same as the original globes out of your car. It's actually the design of the globe that changes the light output. So when you're replacing your original globes, all you do is look at the original globe's wattage and voltage, and you choose a performance globe that has exactly the same voltage and wattage. Take, for example, the H4 Plus 100. It's got 100% more light than original, but it's the same voltage and wattage as the original H4 globe that would have come out of your car. We don't want to up the wattage of our globes. A lot of upgraded wattage globes actually produce a lot more heat, which can cause a lot of damage to the headlight itself and the connections and other associated parts. One distinct advantage of these performance halogen globes from NARVA is that they are ADR compliant and street legal, meaning they're a perfect replacement for your original globes in your car. One point to remember is that maximum volume and whiter light globes result in a reduction in globe life. If there's anything you would like more information on or other things you would like us to cover, then let us know in the comments below. Cheers.